Hi everybody, today we're making applesauce cake. You're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then you're going to take all of the ingredients listed on your right and put them in a bowl together. And then you're going to take all the ingredients listed on the left and put them in a bowl together. You're going to mix your first bowl with a hand mixer. You can scrape the side of the bowl if you need to and remix. And you're going to do the same for your mix-in batter. That's the consistency you're looking for. Next, in a generously greased and floured pan, you're going to layer your two batters. And don't worry about mixing the batters together right now because soon they're going to be swirled. Okay, layering's done. Grab your spoon and create a swirl effect. Now tap your pan a few times to release any air bubbles in the mixture. And then you're going to bake at 375 degrees for about an hour. You'll know your cake's done when you can insert a utensil or a toothpick and it comes out clean. And there you go, guys. There's your applesauce cake. Have fun, make memories. Bye, guys.